Good morning, children. The third chapter, malicious software, is going on. In this chapter, we have already discussed many topics about the virus. Now, today we will see what are the types of virus. In previous topic, we were discussed about the virus infection, virus symptoms, and virus prevention. Now today we will see what are the types of virus. Let's see types of computer viruses. Computer viruses can be classified according to the types of files they infect or the kind of damage they cause to the computer system. Some types of computer viruses are boot sector, file infector, microvirus, and polymorphic. First we will see about the boot sector virus. Boot sector virus. The boot sector virus in a computer starts the operating system. This virus is start from the operating system. It entered directly in the operating system, children. It resides in the hard disk drive. It resides in the hard drive. A boot sector virus copies if infected code into the code of the boot sector virus. Infected code then gets loaded and run at the time of booting the computer. What to do it? It does copy the infected code. Then when the system run or reboot, it means when the system is start, it reload, get loads its code and infect whole boot sectors and run at the time of booting, and at that time computer infected, may it start, maybe not start, maybe it run, maybe it not run, means maybe it start again and again, switch off again and again, means many types of difficulties there will be happen when boot sector virus enter into the computer. Some examples of boot sector viruses are ELK cloner, brain, disk killer, and stone virus. Children, these are the boot sector viruses name, those who entered into the computer by the hard disk, and it infect whole operating system of the computer, and it corrupt it or it damage the whole system of the computer. Next, file infector virus. Children, as it refer its name, file infector virus, a file infected virus infects program file or executable file that have in a .exe extension, such as a type of virus that deletes or damage files in your computer system. Means children, file infector virus, as I says, it refers it's according to its name, file infector. When it entered into the computer, it infect whole files of the computer, it damaged it, it corrupt it, it delete it, it can do anything with the file, and most probably it corrupt .exe file that is executable file, it damaged or delete it. So children, this is very dangerous virus or very dangerous effects of this virus. So we have to be careful and we have to keep prevention with the computer. Some examples of file infected viruses are Cascade, Sunday, and Invader are common example of file infected virus. Children, where is a fine? It will be file. It is mistakes. Please correct it. Okay, children. So today you have saw two types of viruses. First is boot sector virus and the second is file infected virus. And you have studied about these two. I hope you understand. Must watch the video and learn it. Till then, thank you.